Stafford Technical Center Adult Education will be offering new courses in web application development starting February 26, 2019. HTML is hypertext markup language, JS is short for JavaScript, CSS is cascading style sheets. The HTML course is 6 weeks, Tuesday and Thursday evenings. JavaScript and CSS run in parallel for the following 7 weeks. CSS on Tuesdays and JavaScript on Thursdays. The World Wide Web has evolved over 3 decades from simple brochure websites to more sophisticated websites, web apps, and web services. Websites are now viewed on a variety of devices and operating systems. Did you know that today's websites are typically built with between 3 to 5 different programming languages? Yes, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript run in your browser, while PHP and SQL run on a remote web server or cloud-based service. PHP is PHP Hypertext Processor. SQL is Structured Query Language. The first course is Introduction to Web Development, starting with HTML5. After taking the HTML5 prerequisite course, you can then take the Styling with CSS or Interactivity with JavaScript courses, or both follow-up courses. If you are interested in working in the tech field, building web apps, you can take one or more of these courses at Stafford Tech. If you want to create a basic website today, there are many software tools and websites available. But if you want to create a more interactive web application, there is more to learn. For larger web apps, it's often a team effort. Multiple people work in various job roles: graphic and visual design, coding, and testing, databases, content and digital marketing, and server administration. Coding includes the new courses being offered at Stafford Tech: HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. Other possible server-side languages to learn include PHP and SQL. Content includes writing and including photos, images, and videos in web pages. Often web developers may specialize in one of these computer languages. Over time, you can learn another language. A person who can work in all 3 of the browser-based languages is called a front-end web developer. A person who can work in 2 or more server-side languages is called a back-end web developer. A person who can work in both front and back-end web development is called a full-stack web developer. A full-stack developer is typically a higher-paid position. To get started, take Introduction to Web Development starting with HTML5 beginning February 26th. After this prerequisite course, you can take the other courses that may interest you or match your job goals. If you are interested in becoming a full-stack web developer, take more courses. In the intro course, students will begin learning HTML5, which gives students a foundational understanding of creating web pages and websites. Students will begin to create their own basic website, which can be further enhanced in subsequent courses. Students will learn about page structure and content via use of HTML tags. At the end of the course, students will see examples of what CSS and JavaScript can do. Students will also get a basic overview of the Document Object Model, or DOM, which ties all these front-end languages together. Upon successful completion of the intro course, students are ready to continue learning 1 or more related languages. The following learning pathways can help students prepare for specific types of jobs and careers. Students who are interested in the graphic design and visual aspects of web pages can learn CSS. Students who are interested in adding interactivity to web pages can learn JavaScript programming. In addition, students who are interested in back-end web development could learn PHP scripting and/or SQL for databases like MySQL. These classes are not currently being offered at this time. Those students who want to continue learning and focus more on the content side of websites may later want to learn WordPress. As web technology advances, jobs in this area will continue to be in demand. The place to get started is with learning to code in HTML5. To register for these courses, go to staffordonline.org.